Hey, what's going on, y'all? Top of the morning. Happy Monday, and yeah, just quality control at work as usual. Might have a few pistachio bombs as well for a bit of a dessert or whatever. But for now, we've just got a steak, bacon, and cheese pie, and like it's gonna be good. It's gonna yeah. The weekend was, I don't know, with the tuna surprise and all that sort of thing, just wasn't good. Yeah, excellent crunch. Yeah, good times. Yeah, like so all everyone's talking about today is that fucking stupid thing, Oz Alert or whatever it is. So your phone's gonna sound for 10 seconds, like fucking so what, Like I'm just not, like, conspiracy, yeah, I do believe in it to an extent, but I'm not like one of those fucking know-all dickheads, eh? Because like those idiots, they tend to just get it fucking pretty wrong anyway. Like, I don't know, leading into it, whatever you want to call it, it's run by the government. Fucking, it's just not really that. Fucking, what are they? I mean, why do you think that? Like, if you're that worried, must mean you're fucking doing something fucking pretty fucking fishy. You know what I'm saying? Like, why are you so fucking worried? Why do you got to turn everything off for? Why do you got to fucking, like, what? What are you doing? Like, if you're that much of a fucking criminal, just do what bloody, you know who done, and fucking just throw your phone away if you're some kind of fucking fugitive, and then fucking just don't have phones, mate. That's the best way to do it. But yeah, the whole thing's just fucking dumb. You might be working, you might be sleeping, you might be at home, but it's just 10 seconds, Like, if you just don't, like, have anything to do with it, then just, like, maybe just not overthink it, eh? Like, fuck it, mate, Anyway, 8.5 for the pie for sure. Cream soda today. Yeah, that's good. That's hitting well. A bit of dessert. These are just fantastic. No, I ain't even lying. Like, Hugo's. Pistachio bombs. This is just like going to the fucking Canberra show when I was a kid. Just getting the show bag, the $10 show bag. That was gigantic back when I was a kid. Back in fucking 1990, you got lots. Okay, they're not too great once they've been opened and they're a few days old. They're not great. The cold air has got to them, okay? But those pistachio bombs are fine. Yeah, I think they got to go. They got to go. Well, with the pie being an 8.5, with the cream soda and the pistachio bombs, the snakes were a bit off. That ramps the whole experience for this morning up to a 9.3. So yeah, enjoy your Monday. Don't get too fucking worked up about that fucking Oz Alert thing, okay? Please, just don't overthink it too much. Right, bye for now.